What's up guys, your Biglee here. The shape of your biceps is genetics, but is there a way to increase the height of your biceps? Yes, there exists a way. If you can work on this brachialis muscle and build it up, it's going to push your biceps outward, which is going to give you an illusion of bigger peak. Which is the best exercise to do that? Hammer curls. The exercise is pretty simple. You hold the dumbbells to the side and lift it in a hammer position without turning your wrist. In this angle, you incorporate your forearms and majorly your brachialis, which is the muscle between your biceps and triceps, and hence it helps you increase your peak. There are multiple ways of doing the hammer curls. This we saw was the regular one. Some people prefer to keep the dumbbell a little forward and then do the curl this way so that they can see it in the mirror. And one more advantage of doing this is it gives you a different angle of attack. So, I'll see you with another workout video. It's your Biglee, over and out.